Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys an iMBA USB 3.0 extension cable. I've reviewed a couple other USB 2.0 extension cables on my channel. This is a 15-foot black USB 3.0. Again, the brand is iMBA. They're on Amazon. I just researched the cheapest cable I could find, basically, that still had my Prime shipping. So this is what I found. Really excited to get to use it. I'll be plugging in a camera to it, and then I'll be able to use my other camera, which I'll record top down, and I got my microphone being powered right now by another USB. So ran out of space, needed some extension cables to be able to make it to my computer for my studio. So excited to be adding this one to the arsenal since it is USB 3.0. So here's how it comes packaged to you directly from Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the video description below. Go ahead, check it out, see if it's the right cable for you. I couldn't find something with a better price, so I was really excited about it. I can already tell just seeing it from the build, it's going to be great. It feels solid. It reminds me of an HDMI cable in its thickness, so it's got a good rubber jacket on it. And since I'm not going to be unplugging and plugging stuff in a bunch, there shouldn't be any sort of problems, and the cable won't get crimped or anything just running along my floor. So looks really good. The blue's cool. I always love the blue for USB 3.0. So yeah, you got the SS on this end, and then you got it right here too. And then on the other side, it just says iMBAPrice is the brand. Same thing, iMBAPrice. Again, it's a 15-foot cable. Looks pretty sweet. It's going to do a great job. So go ahead, check on that link. See if it's the right one for you. Go ahead, hit the like button, hit the sub button, and leave me some comments or questions. I'd be happy to interact with you guys. You can also tweet at me too. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing video.